Hey, what is up? So today's project, we're going to install this cover back on a Jeep. We removed it last time when we were installing the lights, and we had to rip out these plugs or whatever they are, rivet-nuts. This time I got better rivet-nuts to install, and I'll show you how to install them. They're metal, so very cool.
I'm good, Chad.
So let me remove the grill first. And the grill's out. Okay, so these are the rivet-nuts that I bought, and the goal is to install one of them here, down there. But the challenge is that the rivet-nut is 11 millimeters in diameter and this hole is 10. So we'll see how this is going to work out. But before we're going to do this, let me talk about how we're going to install it. The idea is that you can get expensive tool for like $100, but we're going to try to install it with for like a couple of bucks with a tool that we just made ourselves. So all you need is a bolt that fits your rivet-nut, a couple of washers, a coupling washer, a few more washers.
Which is like one size up.
Yeah,
The coupling washer.
The coupling washer is loose. The coupling washer is not screwed in. And what we do is just get it as tight as possible. Get this into a hole while holding the coupling nut, tightening the bolt, and the idea is that the rivet-nut will get squished up and get stuck in a hole. Right, so let's see if that works in practice the same way we just described. But first let's get the rivet-nuts inside the hole. So now the rivet-nut there, it is loose but it's super tight. So now we're gonna install it. Get it as tight as possible.
Yeah, it's tightening up.
Nice. Okay. Alright, so now let's take it off. Hold this again. So now the idea is that the rivet-nut is there and installed and it's all squished up.
Looks pretty
Squished up?
pretty solid. Oh yeah. It's not going anywhere.
Nice. Alright, so let's do the second one.
Beautiful.
Actually, you can even count it as almost installed. So it's always better to have four hands. And the way it worked is that, of course, when I was putting the bolt, it was super easy. Then, as you know, it's getting installed. It's getting tighter and tighter. It's getting tighter. You push it down. But then it's getting light again. Remember, I put put black electric tape back here. So I want to put nice tire wraps. Remove this, clean this up, and then we can install the panel. And good thing I cut it off because now that the grill is off, I could have installed it now. But oh well. I know one day I'll be really
That's
glad.
definitely a plus. You'll be happy that you didn't do it. That is so much better than in the stock mount of these things.
I mean, certainly way better than it came before.
Absolutely.
Jeep, patent painting.
Cool. Also looks better.
Yeah, it looks like a real Jeep
With
now.
the black bolt. Yeah. Yeah.
Install the grill now? Oh, this is the one I wanted. So remember the light holders that broke off? I replaced them. I got the. Do you remember the brackets?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
holds much better. The lights are still on.
Also, they're one piece, so they can't break off.
I mean, they could break off, but
Yeah, not as much.
hopefully not as easily as the previous one. Right, so here's the final product. Looks pretty good. Looks better than the factory. Yeah, I think if I install a little bracket like this that holds on to these bolts, yeah. I can have a light bar, a nice little low bar here. 20 40. 20. Well, that the future videos. But for now we're done. Alright, see you guys later.